Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm talking about mangoes, and I have a list of specific foods that are known to pair well with mangoes. So if you're looking for some new ideas, or maybe you're not that familiar with using mangoes and you want to try something different, hopefully this list will help you out. In the proteins, nuts, and seeds category, we've got almonds, beans, especially black beans and cannellini beans, cashews, chicken, chickpeas, duck, fish, legumes in general, nuts, peanuts, pork, sesame seeds, snow peas, tempeh, and tofu. In the vegetables category, there's arugula, bell peppers, coyote squash, chili peppers, cucumbers, endive, fennel, garlic, jalapenos, jicama, lettuce, onions, especially red onions, green scallions, and sweet onions, rhubarb, scallions, seaweed, shallots, spinach, sweet potatoes, tomatillos, and tomatoes. In the fruits category, there's avocados, bananas, berries of all types, but especially blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, coconut, kiwi, lemon, lime, melon, nectarines, oranges, papayas, passion fruit, peaches, pears, pineapple, plantains, tamarind, and tropical fruits in general. In the grains and grain products category, there's corn, noodles, especially Asian noodles, quinoa, rice, and tortillas. In the dairy and non-dairy products category, there's almond milk, coconut milk, cream, creme fraiche, ice cream, and yogurt. And in the other foods category, there's chocolate, especially white chocolate, honey, liqueurs, oil, rum, sugar, tapioca, vinegar, especially champagne, red wine, and rice wine vinegars, and wine, especially sparkling wines, sweet and white wines. I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas. Take care and bye for now.